It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, command AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.